Okay, so there is a problem when you create a particle system that loops, and that is once you add more randomness to the animation, you are going to lose the loop effect. But what we can do is create the illusion of randomness. So in this particle system here, I have the exact same setup. The only difference is that this one is following a curve. And I also did a little bit monkey business with these settings here. But I'm going to show you that. And by the way, if you don't know how to loop a particle system, I'm going to leave a link in the video so you can go and check out my other video on that topic and come back to this one. I'm also just going to show you real quick here some madness that I created. So this is the exact same looping particle system following a curve. I just duplicated these curves 3 or 4 times and then animated the camera. So let's get back into it there. So if you go back to this simple looping particle setup, all we need to do to make this following a curve is just bring in a curve, so we can go path or circle here. So we're going to use a circle, and now we can go into the physics and open up this force field. And here we want to change the force into curve guide. So now if I jump into top view and reset the particle system by going back to the first frame, like that, we have this looping particle circle, just like that. And if you want to make this or create this illusion of randomness, what we can do is go and play around with some of these settings here. So if I set this free to 0.5, we're gonna have this drop-off effect here. And what we also can do is set this clumping to 0.5 or 0.6, that is probably fine as well, and create this effect here. So just go and play around with these settings here, and you can create all kinds of different styles. So I think that is all. Have a great day and peace out.